The Database Manager. For those of you who may remember the BrailleSense U2 product line, you may have gotten to know and appreciate the database manager that was included in that product. When the Polaris came out, somehow this database never made it into that product, but here we are with the BrailleSense 6, and it's back again. So I'm going to go ahead and create a quick database and show you how to add records. Anything that you want to track data on, if you can think of it, you can create it. So let's go ahead. I'll press F1 to get to the main menu.
File Manager, F.
It's probably already there. And I can space dot forward down
Word Processor, W.
until I get to Organizer, but I know that the hotkey or shortcut key to open that folder is the letter O.
Address Manager, A.
So the first item in the Organizer folder is Address Manager, space dot forward down.
Schedule Manager, S.
There's the Schedule Manager.
Database Manager, D.
And there's Database Manager.
No tables have been created. Table name, no items list item.
So I hear no table has been created. Let's go ahead and create a table called Recipes. Hey, I like to cook, and even more importantly, I like to eat. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this one Recipes. And I'm going to tab on.
Field, no items list item.
And this is going to be...
Add field, enter I, dialog button.
Edit field. I hear that if I press enter I can add a field. So since I'm here, I'll just press the enter key.
Add field dialog. Field name, edit box.
And let's call this one name. We want to know what we're cooking here. So I just said .5n because, of course, I can do this all in contracted Braille, followed by enter.
New field edit. Field name, edit box, 1 list item.
And let's say for whatever reason, the date that it was created is important to me. So I'll create a new
Add field dialog. Field name, edit box.
Called date.
Date.
Recorded. And tab on.
Field type, edit box, combo box.
And no, this happens to be closer to the bottom of this list, so I'm going to press space .1 to move up.
Checkbox, combo box.
Wraps around. We got
time combo box.
Time and
date combo box.
Of course, there's date. I'll press enter on that.
New field edit. Field date recorded. Date 2 list item.
Okay, and let's go with ingredients. New field called ingredients.
Add field dialog. Field name, edit box.
So, G-R-E-D sign I-E-N-T-S. I'm going to
field type, edit box, combo box.
Make that field type a multi-line edit field.
Number combo box. Computer edit box, combo box. Multi-line edit box, combo box.
There it is.
New field edit. Field ingredients, multi-line edit box, 3 list item.
Let's do another one called nutritional.
Add field dialog. Field name, edit box.
Hey, Google.
Button press enter to activate.
Nutritional.
Nutritional is spelled N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-N-A-L.
Okay. I thought so, but I wanted to double check, so I'll press space Z to get out of the assistant here.
Field name, edit box.
And I'm going to type in nutritional. T-R-I-T-I-O-N-A-L.
Nutritional.
Facts. Okay.
Field type, edit box, combo box.
A multi-line edit.
Number computer edit, multi-line edit box, combo box.
Enter on that.
New field edit. Field nutritional facts, multi-line edit box, 4 list item.
And let's do one more.
Add field dialog. Field name, edit box.
Let's call it Heart Healthy.
Heart. Healthy.
Tab.
Field type, edit box, combo box.
And this is going to be a yes or no. So
checkbox, combo box.
I'm going to make that a checkbox.
New field edit. Field heart healthy, checkbox, 5 list item.
And I can come back in here and add fields, delete fields, modify fields. It's very flexible what you can do with this database.
Add field, enter I, modify field, enter M, dialog, delete field, space D.
Just tabbing through this dialog.
Previous field, enter next field, enter N, button, confirm button.
And I'm going to confirm this table.
Successfully added table. Recipes 1 list item.
So I have one table in here, or database, called recipes now. If I tab through here,
search recipes. Name edit box.
I can type in a search. Of course, I don't have anything in here yet. But let's go into the menus. I'm going to press the function key F2.
File, F, pull down menu.
And let's see what we've got in here.
Import from CSV, I, dialog, backspace, I menu item.
So if we already have been tracking some data, in this case, let's say it's recipes, I can actually import from a CSV. So that is to say, if you've been keeping a recipe book in an Excel spreadsheet, one of the options when you go to save a spreadsheet is to a CSV file. That stands for comma separated values file.
Exit, Z, space Z menu item.
Okay, so I'm just going to get out of here. I'll press F4 to get out.
File, F, pull down menu.
F4 again.
Cancel. Name edit box.
And at this point,
date recorded Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. Edit combo box. Name edit box.
I am going to go ahead and press Enter I to create a new record within my database.
Add recipes dialog. Name edit box.
I'm going to call this Jambalaya. How do you spell jambalaya?
Jambalaya.
It doesn't sound like jambalaya. It's a lot of A's in that word.
Date recorded Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. Edit combo box.
And this is an edit combo box, so I can change this if I'd like to. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it the same.
Blank.
And I know the first thing was my ingredients.
Blank.
For some reason, it's not speaking those fields. The second one was my nutritional facts.
Heart healthy checkbox unchecked.
And I've got a heart healthy option here.
Confirm button.
And
heart health blank. Blank.
So let's just go ahead and say that I'm going to go to my do a Google search for a jambalaya recipe.
File manager F.
So I'm going to press B for my browser tools.
Web browser B.
Space dot 4 down to
Google search
Google
G.
search and enter.
Search term edit box.
And I'm just going to type in this search term jambalaya.
Jambalaya.
Recipe. Enter on that.
Searching. Jumpin' Jambalaya recipe NHLBI, NID164 list item.
Okay, and you see that I've got the first item in my list is called Jumpin' Jambalaya, which sounds interesting. Let's go ahead and space dot 4 down.
Creole style red jambalaya with chicken, sausage, and shrimp. 264 list item.
Ooh, that's me. That sounds delicious. I'm going to press enter on that.
Starting web browser. https www.serialseats.com Creole style red jambalaya chicken sausage shrimp recipe. Loading.
And we're loading the page in
Creole style red jambalaya with heading 1.
And I hear the name of the recipe is Creole style red jambalaya. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate by heading by pressing backspace and the letter F for forward heading.
Creole style red jambalaya with heading 1. Why it works heading 3.
Oh, let's go back the other way here.
Creole style red jambalaya with heading 1.
So that's what it's called is Creole style. Creole style. I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. I'm going to press the routing key in front of the word Creole. Press Enter B.
Start selection.
To start my selection, and I'm going to press the routing key after the word jambalaya. Copy that.
Successfully copied. Creole style red jambalaya with.
And I'm going to press F2, F3 to move back into my
task name, database manager. Ingredients, multi-line edit box.
And I'm going to go back to
date recorded Wednesday, June's name jambalaya edit box.
The name and paste it right here. Enter with V.
Paste.
And let's see what we've got here. And I see on the Braille display, we have the
Riddle style red jambalaya.
Oh, something style. It left out. I must have left out the letter C. So I'll just go ahead and copy that and add that in. C. So now we have
Creole style red jambalaya.
Yeah. Okay.
Date recorded Wednesday, June 16th, 2000 blank.
All right. Now this is my ingredients. I'm going to press F2, F3 again.
Task name, Google search. Title, Creole style red jambalaya with chicken, sausage, and shrimp. 264
until I
list
get
item.
to my browser session.
Task name, web browser. Creole style red jambalaya with.
I'm going to press backspace with F to move forward through my headings.
Why it works heading 3.
Why it works.
Ingredients heading 2.
And here are my list of ingredients. I'm going to space dot 4 down.
Save recipe button. 1. 28 ounce 795 grams, can peeled.
This time I'm going to press the routing key all the way to the left of my display. Start my selection.
Start selection.
Folks, by the way, we're the only note taker right now that can actually do a copy or a cut from a non-edit field. This is a web browser session, and I'm going to just go ahead and space down arrow or space dot 4.
Whole tomatoes, packed in juice. See note. About 3 cups, 720 ml. Homemade chicken stock link.
And I'm just going to quickly space dot 4 down to get all of this
Or low sodium store. More is needed. 114
stuff,
skinless
all these
chicken, kosher salt,
ingredients
and pepper.
included in
1
my
tablespoon
recipe.
vegetable, neutral oil, 3/4 pound, Cajun or Creole andouille or chorizo, similar smoked or sausage, sliced
Yeah,
chorizo.
sounds pretty good.
1 medium yellow onion,
Sounds like
8
a lot of good
225, 2 medium green
ingredients.
bell peppers, ounces total 200, seeded and diced. 4 celery ribs, 6 ounce 170 grams, 4 medium cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, Louisiana-style hot sauce for serving.
Oh, you got to make a
2 teaspoons minced fresh thyme leaf or 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper,
make
or,
a day of this recipe.
to taste. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 bay leaves, 2 cups long grain rice, ounces 3/4 pound, deveined shrimp, 6 scallions, wide and light parts only, thinly directions heading 2, strain tomatoes and add
those
juice
are
to
directions.
directions heading 2, parts only,
So that
thinly
would be
sliced.
our cooking instructions. That could be next, but I'm going to press the cursor routing buttons after the word sliced here. And I'm going to press, it did not announce that it was selected, but let me just do a copy.
Successfully copied. 6 scallions, wide and light green.
And I'll press F2, F3.
Task name, database manager. Ingredients, multi-line edit box.
Enter V for paste.
Paste. Blank.
And
1. 28 ounce 795 grams,
That's,
concealed whole
at the
tomatoes,
top
packed in
of
juice. See note.
the field, I just press space dots 1, 2, 3. And if I press space 4, 5, 6.
Blank. Deveined shrimp.
And I see
Blank.
that I'm at the end of
Deveined 3/4 ounces, 300, 2 cups, 2, 1 to
my
1/4
list.
teaspoon cayenne. Blank. Heart healthy checkbox unchecked.
Let's just say that this is, I can lie about and say that it's heart healthy.
Heart healthy checkbox checked.
Maybe it is.
Confirm button.
And I'm going to confirm.
Successfully inserted. Name edit box.
And I'm ready to add my next recipe. So now, let's go ahead and back tab. So space with F3.
Table name, recipes 1 list item.
And I see there's the name of my table. And if I go to exit this application now, and I can do that with a space Z as in zebra.
Backup changes, yes prompt button.
I'll say yes always when I make a modification to my
Backup in progress. Backup completed.
database.
Database manager, D.
And that's really all there is to creating a database.